is Esther Kada at Inore Medical Equipment. I'm going to demonstrate to you how this oxygen concentrator works. This is a 5-liter oxygen concentrator. So like it's already on, it's plugged on. So I'm going to switch it on here. And this is how it works. This shows that it's on because this is a power button, meaning it's on. Then this shows low oxygen purity, and this one will be able to show you how it's to be monitoring how the oxygen is working. So this one is high oxygen purity, this one is high temperature, low temperature and high pressure. Power failure, in case there's power failure, this one will turn on to show you. Then we put water in here, remove this to put water. So remove it, we put water up to 5 mils, at least half of this, just to purify the air. Then you put it back. And so it will show you how the oxygen is working. And that's it. There's also another catheter here. You can move the catheter, you connect it here. Here, you connect it here, and you connect it for the patient to breathing. Thank you.